It's early in the morning. It's real foggy out here too. But check out my fountain I made. I made it from an old lamp and a Family Dollar flower pot. I just took one of these black lids right here, like this, that go to those, one of these tubs that I got seeds planted in. And I just cut one of those lids out so that it would fit down in here. I had to add those rocks though, because last night the little BB came over here trying to get in there and it was a little too deep. So I added the rocks and did a little bit of adjustments to it. And I also had to put 2 holes in the hose right there because it was just spraying all the water straight out. It was just shooting real high. So I put a hole in the side of it so it would come out the side and the top. That way it wouldn't lose all the water. But I think it turned out pretty cute. Anyway, I hope you like watching this come together. I love the sound of it. It's a very faint sound, but I like that because I don't like water fountains that make a lot of noise, that are real loud. I've had this lamp for years, and I never wasn't using it because it didn't work right and I didn't have a shade for it. But I thought it was so pretty I didn't want to get rid of it, and then I had this idea. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it gives you some ideas to do something for your garden.